Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Your virus and threat protection is managed by your organization. So first of all, you just need to go to your search bar and search for CMD, and this will show you this command prompt options. Just click on this run as administrator. Click yes. After opening this command prompt, you just need to copy this command here from the description box. So just copy it from the description and now paste it. After pasting the command here, press enter. Then you have to type yes here, then press enter. Now I'm having this error because I don't have this problem, but in your case this will solve your problem. So just close it, then go back to your Windows Defender and check if the problem is still there. Hope this problem will be solved with this command prompt. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.